What's up, y'all? As you know, it Breezy, your man's right here. Uh, Yesterday we managed to secure on gold, also the GBPUSD, as I said that it was gonna drop. Uh, we managed to hit take profit, but like price went even more. Like price broke that support, as we see. Price broke that support, as we see, and that's what I be always telling y'all about, that breakout, subsequent candle retest, and that continuous trend. So yeah. Just want to show y'all this right here. As you see, price hit take profit, but price managed to, break. And after that break, we had that retest whereby price continued, So, yeah, I just want to be, I just want to analyze for y'all because I know some of y'all really like it, But, yeah, I'm going to just keep coming and improving, Everything gets better with time, but yeah, trust me, I'm here to stay. But anyway, I just hope you look good, and I just want to jump in, go on a GBPUSD. London session is not active yet, but I just like analyzing before the session, just seeing what I see, what I don't see, like things like that, But as I always say, we find trades on a bigger time frame and we execute on a smaller time frame. So that's what I always say. And some ask me, Breezy, what do you mean by that? I'm gonna show you. Let's start on the daily. I just want to break it, like everything down to you. I just want to break everything down to you. Let's start on the daily. Remember, this is GBPUSD, right? So on the daily, we see that matter of fact, price is bullish. Price is going to the upside. Why am I saying this? This is what I'm on, y'all. I just want to show y'all, I'm not just putting y'all on game. This is what I'm on. We got those lower highs, we got those lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, now those lower lows. You'll see, right? Now we got those lower highs, now we got those lower lows. Just hope y'all see what I'm talking about. We got those lower highs, we got those lower lows, those lower highs. Now we got those lower lows, same thing, lower highs. And now that lower low. So the daily shows us that we're currently bullish. And then after that, we go to the H4, just take your time, take your precious time. You're not in a competition, not in a race. Stay in your lane and mind your business, Just keep back testing, putting in the work. Just focus on yourself. At this point, it's you versus you. So now moving to the H4. Moving to the H4 too, we see, just want to show y'all. Where's my arrow? Moving to the H4, we can also see that we got a support right there, and whereby price rejected not once, but we also had fake outs too. Gotta pay attention to that. Price rejected this support. We also had fake outs, but price was weak too, so price couldn't go even lower. That's where we closed. And opening this morning, we just had a subsequent candle whereby we just rejected and had another candle. So me looking at this on the H4, I see that we got a subsequent candle. I jump to the H1. Why? Because that's where I'm gonna analyze and execute on a smaller time frame. So jumping here, we may have a retest and a continuous trend. Because immediately after that job, why am I using my trend line? I'm sorry for that. Immediately after we had that impulse drop, I see a retest, then probably we can continue dropping. You see, like I see a retest and probably continue dropping, or price can just fake it out here, and just push up. That's how it is. Remember, like trading is guessing, but in a educated way, because like trust me, bro, Like it takes years to learn this skill, but now like it's kind of easy because like when I started, it was back in 2022, bro. I had nothing on me. I had no mentor, no money, but I took my skill from Mamba FX, and then Lisibam 2 be shut out, like, and then like I just kept on improving and evolving. Here am I today, 20-year-old full-time trader, just trying to help others improve too. Come on, man. But anyway, as continuing, let's mark our lows so that we know what we on. Let's mark our lows. Let me use my horizontal ray. So this is the low we have. Yep. So from there, as we see that at the same time price keeps on rejecting. As we see that price keeps on rejecting right here. You see, we got those rejections, and like price is not really breaking, and price pushed so hard that price needs to breathe. What do I mean by that? In every impulse, we should have a correction, whatever you call it, correction, retest, same thing. In every impulse move, we have a correction. Price has to breathe. Price pushed so hard that it has to come up, probably retest, and continue going down. If y'all get me, let me use my path and show y'all. Price jumped so hard it couldn't even go more lower. But I believe when London session is active, probably already we might have that retest, and when London session is active, price can continue probably where it comes from or even lower. So we're looking at a 123, 124 after that retest, because remember, before we execute the trade, we gotta wait for that retest. If we're gonna have a retest, we better wait for that retest. You might catch it, but I'm not quite accurate with it because it's not a good setup. I like taking like good setups, 123s, 124s, and probably sometimes 125, 126. Yesterday we had a 125 on GBPUSD and take profit was hit. So this is what I'm on. Price retesting and dropping hard, and we're going short, man. We're going. So let's go short. You know, and like guys, remember that defense is key. Defense is key. That's y'all gotta remember. Like remember that always. Defense is key. I didn't love using stop losses first because like sometimes price would retest at your stop level area and take you out, and then price continues the way you said it was gonna go, and then you be like frustrated and sometimes you be pissed off. But stop losses are really good, and it really helps you treat business trading as a business, because having a stop loss, you are choosing how much you're risking and how much you want to make. So that's the risk to reward that I'm talking about. So yeah, we'll be targeting this low right here. So yeah, let's see how Err'thing goes, and another day, another W. So yeah. So after seeing that we have a setup on GBPUSD, but we have to wait probably another 3 hours, or maybe another 5 hours just for London session to be active. Because remember, you have to follow your plan at all times, no matter what. Follow your plan. Stick to the plan, and anything else will fall in place. Stick to the plan. Most new traders that are just starting out, like they be trading their own setups, they be trading just for the sake of trading. No, treat this as a business, because the moment you blow your account, it's the same as blowing the whole stock and you have to buy new one again. You see, that's a setback. But we the ones that turn setbacks into comebacks. We the ones that turn nothing into something. So don't be out there talking work. Don't look like others be seeking attention. Don't believe the hype. Stick to yourself. Focus on yourself. At this point, it's you versus you. Anyway, we jump to the 15 as we have our setup on the H1. Jump on the 15 for what? To execute. So Yep. We jump on the 15 minute. So on the 15, we see that hey, we do not have like really that kind of a setup. But as I said, this is what I'm on. This is what I'm on. Probably price pushing even higher, right? And continue dropping. That's what I'm on, bro. Like that's really what I'm on, like straight. So on the 15, we can mark our zones or our supply and demand. In this case, supply, maybe some resistance and support. Why am I doing this, you ask? This way, like those levels, you can see where like price retests, where price rejects, like those kind of things. Like mark your areas, because this is what we do daily. So you shouldn't be marking every day, every day. No, this thing stay here. But anyway, I just hope you'll be really putting in the work, because at the end of the day, it's so beneficial, man. Success is so good. And we all want it, bro. I want a Lamborghini Urus and I'ma get it. But my first car could be an A45S. Probably black or gray. But anyway, so this is what I'm on, y'all. Let me mark resistance. This is what I'm on, y'all. And probably we might reject here and respect, because one thing I've noticed with pairs is that they really respect those zones. They really respect those zones. We would also take our short position right here. But I wouldn't. And why, you ask? Because like as I said, I'm looking for price to retest before dropping. So taking our setup here, it would be us just rushing the market, and obviously we probably would get stopped out, and we would regret that, and we wouldn't like that. So you rather stay prepared than be sorry. As I said, price may continue going up and retest before dropping, or we might really retest this resistance right here. So we just wait for the markets to show us what's up. But like me just putting it straight, as we see that we had that major drop right there. And remember, I'm on the 15 minute. We had a major drop right there, and we just started playing around. And we had that retest. But after that retest, we never had that subsequent candle that like showed me that hey, we are going to the downside, like that major candle. After that retest, price just played right there, as like you'll see, price just played right there. So what I'm on is price probably coming back to this and probably going up, bro. Probably respecting, retest, and continue dropping. That's what I'm on. So I'ma just wait for price to hit that retest level first, and then catch it when it continues dropping. So the setup we looking at is this, because I am looking at price going back to where it was. Because remember, we waiting for that retest. So strategy wise, what are we looking at? Strategy wise, we're looking at this. Let me show y'all. Strategy wise, this is what we on. Strategy wise, this is what we on. We had that break. After that break, we had that retest. After that retest, we had the subsequent candle, right? After the subsequent candle, we had that major drop. And again, you can use your Fibonacci just to confirm it. Because like the Fibonacci, we look at the 61 area and the 50 area, which is our golden zones. You can also use that, but that's a tool for another day. So yeah, this is what we are, bro. A beautiful setup. Beautiful, beautiful setup. And remember, when it comes to trading, it's not about how much you make. It's not about how much you keep, this, that. No, like for me, it's just you understanding how to use money, how money flows, how money works. Like, just using it based on percentage wise, risking probably this kind of certain percentage to make a certain percentage, if y'all understand me. It's not about money. For me, it's about financial freedom. Doing whatever I want, whenever I want. Just flying out the country on a Monday. That's what I'm on. That's the goal. So yeah. Just hope y'all see it that way. But anyway, yeah, this is the kind of setup we on. So this is the kind of setup we on, bro. Like, I just can't wait for London to be active. So what I'm on is price breaking this resistance. Price breaking, probably to the upside. And we're gonna catch that retest. Definitely. We definitely gonna catch that retest. And probably price may go even lower, probably. But yeah, this is what I'm on. And I just hope y'all loved it. And subscribe, like, share it. Tell your people, tell your friends about Breezy. I'm here to shake the world. Yeah, thanks, y'all. Yeah, bro, like, good thing, man.